How to access Open edX aspects. There are two ways to access Open edX aspects, depending on your role. If you are a platform site operator, you can access it directly through Superset using the link of your platform and your credentials. If that is not the case, and you only have permission from the course delivery team role, you must go to the course you want to review in the LMS. Once you are there, go to the Instructor tab. There, select the Reports tab. You will see Aspect's three principal dashboards there: the course dashboard, the individual learner dashboard, and the at-risk learner dashboard. From here, you can review all the information that Aspects has collected about the course and the learners. If your site operator allows it, you can access the dashboards from Superset directly by clicking the link above the dashboard. And that's it. Navigate and explore aspects of functionalities and data that it brings to you and your project.